Hi there guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to go over how to choose your forex strategy. So very quickly what it is, why it's important, which is the main part of this video, and then also things you should consider before actually deciding what type of strategy you want to go into. So first of all, let's just go over what is a strategy. So basically, in short, it's a set of rules and guidelines that you can follow to make decisions when you're trading the market. So it's like anything else in life. If you have a goal, whether it's to be a profitable trader, whether it's to lose weight, whether it's a business, whatever it is, you need a plan for the day in and the day outs, okay? So as traders, the biggest problem that we face with social media is that there's thousands of strategies out there. People are promising X, Y, and Z, and there's no one given strategy which is the be all and end all of the market, okay? You can make money with pretty much every single strategy. It's just about your personality and your lifestyle into which one is going to fit into what you want to do, okay? So for example, me, myself, I am quite a relaxed trader. So what will happen is that I will like to do like the 4 hour and stuff like that. I'm not looking to scalp because I'm quite a relaxed person. Let's just go over why it's important. So as mentioned, one of the most important aspects when it comes to trading, some people are going to be really impatient and they can't wait for trades. So someone like that would not be suitable trading the weekly time frame. So you need to ask yourself, am I a patient person? What type of person am I? And then apply that to what type of strategy you would like to trade, okay? So if you do get the strategy wrong, meaning the type with your personality, this could stall your progress when it comes to the market because you're going to be focusing your attention on something which is never going to work for you. So you'd be better off shifting your attention to something more suitable, okay? So for me, as mentioned, I like trading the 4 hour time frame. It's a nice balance between the volume of trades and also the flexibility to be able to go about your day. So I can set my pendings in the morning before I need to go and do anything, and then throughout the day, the trades are playing out and I can potentially make money whilst I'm on the move, okay? So if you are interested in learning that, there's a link in the bio. I've literally, this video just released the content. So if you do want to learn the exact way I trade, whether you've got a full-time job, part-time job, whatever it may be, the link will be in the bio for you to purchase that. And then obviously groups, etc., etc. So what can we consider when it comes to a strategy? So the first thing, lifestyle. Are you a full-time worker? Are you a part-time worker? Do you have all day to sit at the charts, or can you barely sit at the charts? Going back to what I just said about how I trade, if you have a full-time job or you can't be on the charts all day, then the strategy I trade would be good for you because you can wake up in the morning or do it before bed, set your trades for the next day, and then go about your day, obviously go to sleep, then go to work, and throughout the day, the trades are going to be playing out and obviously winning. If you've got a part-time job, you might have a bit more time in the mornings to, sit down and analyze the charts. You might be wanting to be on lower time frames because you've physically got more time to look at the chart. So even just things like your job will affect what type of strategy you want to realistically be trading. Second thing, personality. This is the biggest killer for most people in the market. Are you a patient person? Are you impulsive? Are you too eager to get into trades? Or are you happy to wait a week for a trade? I'll tell you right now, the people who can wait for trades are always going to be the most profitable when it comes to the market. If you are an impatient person, you're going to be taking trades that don't follow your rules and strategy, and in turn most likely lose more money due to this. Okay, we've then got the time zone. So if you live in the UK, you might want to focus on the pound pairs, the euro pairs. If you're from America, you might want to trade the US session and trade the US pairs. If you're from overseas, you may be trading the Tokyo session and then be looking at things like the Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, okay, because they're the biggest movers within them sessions. So just where you are in the world affects it as well, because if you're from, let's say, New Zealand or even America, getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning to trade a session when you've got a job, yes, hard work does pay off, but there's other ways so that you can trade when it's in your normal hours, okay? And then another thing for the time frame is the screen time. Can you spend a lot of time at the screen? If yes, lower time frames. Have you got the job? Are you not at screen all day? Well, higher time frames because you don't have to monitor it as much, okay? So they're the biggest things to take into consideration when it comes to trading the market. So just to finalize, if you are actually looking for a strategy at the minute, you are potentially short for time and you want to basically just go about your day and have trades set, then if you click the link in the bio for the strategy, then obviously you'll be able to learn it and then hopefully make some money whilst you're at work and things like that, okay? So any questions, please just drop them in the comments. But for now, guys, I'll see you in next week's video when we will be doing an FTMO challenge using the strategy that I'm talking about.